Have you accidentally closed your tabs on Edge browser and want to bring it back? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. Let's learn how to restore tabs on Microsoft Edge. To do so, open your Edge browser. On the top bar, right-click on it. You will get to see Restore Window option. Click on it. It will open previous tab. Do it multiple times if you want to find your desired lost tab. However, if you're getting trouble to finding these options, go to our website. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.